Alright, this is the final demonstration showcasing all round point Winchester target practice ammo, I guess. 3 different mags, fully loaded, 8 rounds in the 2 SIG mags. I don't know what this one holds, 7. And the Kimber magazine. Going to do a test on this one, all on this. We're going to line up the camera again. I apologize for the work, of course. Yep, it's thinking about it. Okay, well, let's see if I'm in frame. Okay, about right there. First time, Kimber mag. Load it in. Feed, feed, feed. Jam on ballpoint. 3rd round, maybe 4th, I don't know. Giving it a bump on the slide. Another jam, ballpoint. This one's really jammed up in there. There we go. Another one, and I'm trying really trying to showcase. I'm slamming that slide back. Now with a SIG mag, I'm going to be chasing bullets all day today. SIG mag, same bullets, Winchester. I mean, it's... This one stayed in battery without actually chambering the round? Or, well, I don't know. Weird one. Another SIG mag, last one. Another failure to feed. Looks like, oh, there we go. Interesting. And of course, round stays open. That was on the final round. I think that's enough proof. Failure to feed, not only on hollow point, but standard target practice ammo as well. Alright, I'm here to showcase the failure to feed on my compact Alpha Foxtrot 1911. I got 3 magazines over here, all loaded up with the same 5 rounds. And by 5 rounds, I do have 1 Federal, 1 Winchester, 1 hollow point, 1 arm score, 1 cellular bellet. Going to showcase the Kimber mag first. You can see the different rounds loaded in there. I'm going to try to get this to be lined up on camera properly here, so bear with me. Let's see if we can get this to balance on here. Hopefully it does. There we go. Okay, first 5 rounds. This will be the Federal. See if we can show that. Already a semi-jam on that one. It took a second to go through, but it did feed. Feed. Jam on the hollow point. That's going to be the arm. That is going to be the Federal Premium HST. Jam on that. Let's see if I can bump it back in. There we go. Took another 2 to get it to go. Another jam on another round point. This time Arm Score USA. 230 grain. Fed on that one, on the last one. So we got 2 jams out of 5. Now I'm going to load up just a standard SIG mag that came with my 1911 Super Target. Same 5 rounds, same order. Feed, 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 and feed. This time it fed them all. Try one more time with another SIG mag. Same 5 rounds. Feed, 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 feed. I did have another demonstration I recorded that it did jam on one of the SIG mags too on hollow point. The SIG 1911 Super Target, I can feed it upside down, sideways, it doesn't care. So we'll load in just another, maybe different order here. Just kind of grabbing what I see. All throughout the table here. Another 5. Mag stays open, obviously, or the slide stays open. This one's working perfectly. The Kimber's still jamming on hollow point. I have had it jam already on numerous demonstrations. This is like my 5th or 6th take on this, on just standard ballpoint. I can't justify the use of this gun for self-defense, which is what I plan to buy it for, because of that failure to feed issue. Sending it back to you guys, hoping for the best. All right, here's all the different types of ammunition. We got Federal, Winchester, got HST hollow point over here, arm score right there, and then of course, I can't even pronounce that one, cellular and bellet right there. I got 3 different mags, 3 different bullets of each to load into the 3 different mags. These are 2 from the SIG 1911 Super Target, and this is the one that was sent back to me, the Kimber. I'm going to set the phone down while I load up these magazines. 1 bullet in each. I know this is not the best test. Hollow point. Round ball. Okay. Semi-loaded up mag, 1 of each round, just giving it a shot. I know that's not prime conditions, but just giving an idea. Gonna load it in. Magazine's in. First round chambers. That's good. Now let's see if I can wedge this in my face here.